What's up, y'all? I'm out here for some more testing of this Betafpv Beta85X, and this time I have a Tattu 450 milliamp hour 75C 3S battery, a little lighter than we went before. And I did glue this light in the rear, and so hopefully this battery can keep this thing in the air. Hopefully we don't have to worry about this LED in the back since I glued it. And so let's take off. Okay. So let's try a punch out with it. I didn't do any tuning. Sounds like I might have to turn down the P gain. Oops, I didn't start this thing recording the goggles. Let me check to make sure they're on. Okay, the goggles are recording now, so we can get a sense of how this thing is looking as far as FPV. Get back in acro. We're going to try to test the flight time as well with it right now. The punch out seems to be nice. Really nice. So this battery has the oomph for it. Has the power for this thing. Pretty fast. It is trying to tap out from all of those power loops and everything. It is cold out here. Let's try to do some FPVing. Hopefully I can get my goggles on before this thing floats entirely away. Okay. And hopefully it's recording. There's an XM Plus on here, so the range should be great. Oh man, the battery voltage went down on me. So it could be due to the cold weather that we only got a short battery. Yep, we got 2 minutes and 21 seconds looks like. Let me stop the recording. Yeah, I was flying it before I started the recording of the FPV. So really short flight time with this 450 milliamp hour Tattu battery in this condition here. Really cold out here, brisky cold weather. You should get a couple more seconds longer, maybe a minute more in some warm weather. And so that's it. I don't know if the problem was actually this LED here on top vibrating to cause it to reset, or if it was actually the batteries, because this battery performed pretty well. Tattu 450 milliamp hour 75C 3S battery. The Betafpv Beta85X. Still testing this prototype. Thanks for watching.